Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to host giveaways inside of your Discord server. So how to add a giveaway bot to your Discord server. That's a very easy process. The first step, of course, open up your Discord application, sign into your Discord account, and from there head down to the test server or the server where you would like to add the giveaway. Now from here, simply go down to the app directory or head down to add your first app and check it out. Now from here, we simply type in giveaway bot. So giveaway bot all behind each other, and here we can see the giveaway bot. Now as you can see, when we show more, we see all the usage commands, so all the commands possible, and how to actually use the giveaway bot. Now to add the bot, simply go down to add app, and here give the visit site, and from there simply consent and add to Discord. Now there's a lot of applications, of course. From here we go to add a server test 1, continue. Give all these a check, go to authorize and confirm you're a human. And here, let's wait a couple of seconds. Now the server has been added to our Discord server, the bot. And here we can see that the giveaway bot has been appeared. Now you can play around with the giveaway bot by simply going to the giveaway bot and going to putting commands inside the message area, and from there you can use the giveaway bot on Discord. Now if you still get any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.